Hello everybody, this is lesson 21 on Spanish 123. Right now you will study the structure conditional plus present perfect. This in English has three different substructures, which are would plus present perfect, could plus a present perfect, and should plus a present perfect. For example, when you say in English, I would have traveled, but I couldn't. I would have traveled, but I couldn't. Let's see how it is in Spanish. I would have traveled, but I couldn't. First, yo, and then would have. Look, I would have. Yo habría from verb haber. Remember that verb to have has two different meanings in Spanish, haber and tener. I would have traveled. Yo habría, and the participle of verb to travel, which is viajar. And the participle of viajar is viajado. Remember this finishing, ado, edo. Ado, edo, ido are the finishings of the participle in Spanish. Viajado, coma, but, pero, I couldn't. No pude. Pude is the simple past, is the past simple of verb poder. Poder, can, the modal verb can. And here you have to add no for the negative form, for building the negative form. No pude. Yo habría viajado, I would have traveled, but I couldn't. But, pero, I couldn't. No pude. Very good. Let's change the personal pronoun here. If you say, now with you, you would have traveled, but you couldn't. But you couldn't. You would have traveled, but you couldn't. Let's see. You is tú. And now would have, the conjugation will change because in Spanish conjugations change and change a lot. Tú habrías viajado. You would have. Tú habrías traveled, viajado, but, pero, you couldn't. No pudiste. Pudiste. Pay attention and see how the conjugation changes. Now is pudiste. Who? Tú. Perfect. Tú habrías viajado, pero no pudiste. Pero no pudiste. Let's change the personal pronoun to we, using the same sentence. Nosotros habríamos viajado, pero no pudimos. Nosotros habríamos viajado, pero no pudimos. Look. Nosotros, we. Habríamos viajado. Habríamos is would have. We would have traveled. The participle never changes. We would have traveled, but we couldn't. But we couldn't. We would have traveled. Nosotros habríamos viajado, but we couldn't. Pero no pudimos. Very good. Let's see now with they. They would have traveled, but they couldn't. They would have traveled, but they couldn't. They, ellos or ellas, let's use ellos. Ellos habrían viajado, pero no pudieron. Let's see how the conjugation changes. Ellos habrían viajado, pero no pudieron. Perfect. So, what you have to know here is that when you change the personal pronoun, it will change in Spanish the conjugation for verb to have. Yo habría, tú habrías, él habría, ella habría, nosotros habríamos, ustedes habrían, and ellos, ellas habrían. And here, the past simple of verb of the modal verb can, or to be able to, is yo pude, tú pudiste, él pudo, nosotros pudimos, ustedes pudieron, and ellos, ellas pudieron. Very good. This is what it changes. The conjugation of verb to have and the conjugation of the any other verb that you want to put here in the complement of the sentence. Very good. So, let's see the structure here. First, the personal pronoun, then the conjugation of verb to have with the meaning haber, because you are using the present perfect. Haber, personal pronoun plus haber plus any participle of any verb, and then here any complement that you want to communicate. Perfect. Let's see right now the second part with could plus present perfect.